ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद। श्री राग महला पहला। करती जा जोगी अंदर जोगिया, तू पोगी अंदर पोगिया, तेरा अंत ना पाया, सुर्ग मच पयाल जियो। O Vaheguru, you are the greatest yogi among the yogis, and at the same time you are the greatest householder amongst worldly people engrossed in worldly pleasures. None has been able to understand your vastness and depth either on earth, in ocean, or in netherlands. हूँ वारणे कुर्बान तेरे नाम नो रहाओ। I offer myself as a sacrifice to your greatness and your true name, which is beyond our comprehension. Pause. तुद संसार पाया, सिरे सिर तंदे लाया, वे कह कीता आपना, कर कुदरत पासा टाले जियो। You have created this world and assigned everyone to all different kinds of actions and tasks. You're watching over all of your creation, and through your all-powerful creativity, you cast the choice. परगट पहाड़े चापदा, सब नावनु परतापदा, सतगुरु बाझ न पायो, सब मोहि माया चाल जियो। You are omnipresent and is manifested in expanse of all your creation. Everyone is longing for your name, but without the Guru, the true Guru, no one is able to find you. All is engrossed in the worldly veil of falsehood. सतगुरु को बल जाइए, जित मिलिए परम गत पाइए, सुर नर मुन जन लोच दे, सो सतगुरु दिया बुझाई जियो। I am forever sacrificed to the true Guru, Satguru. By meeting him, I have attained the highest stage of bliss in life. The angelic beings, saints, learned people are all longing to attain this state of mind. The true Guru has given me this understanding. सत संगत कैसी जानिए, जिथे एक नाम वखाणिए, एक नाम हुक्म है, नानक सतगुरु दिया बुझाए जियो। How is that society of saints to be known? There the name of one God is chanted. The one name is Vaheguru's command. O Nanak, the true Guru has given me this understanding. एहो जगत परम भुलाया, आप हो तुद खुआया, परताप लगा दोहागणी, पाग जिना के नाहे जियो। This world has been deluded by doubt. O Vaheguru, you yourself has made this happen. The discarded soul brides, they're suffering in terrible pain, and they don't have any luck at all. दोहागणी क्या निशानिया, खसमोह कुथिया फिर है निमानिया, मैले वेस तिन्ना कामणी, दुखी रैन विहाए जियो। What could be the signs and symptoms of such discarded people? Being oblivious of their true master, they command no respect and spend their lives in suffering due to their sinful actions. They wander around in dishonor, and clothes of such discarded people are filthy, and they pass their life night in agony. सुहागणी क्या कर्म कमाया, पूरब लिखिया फल पाया, नदर करे कै आपनी, आपे ले मिलाए जियो. What are the creditable actions of the accepted ones who have gained acceptance in Vahiguru's court based on their preordained destiny? Casting his glance of grace, Vahiguru unites them with himself. हुक्म जिन्हानु मनाया, तिन अंतर शब्द वसाया, सहिया सही सुहागणी, जिन सह नाल प्यार जियो. The accepted one who have realized and who have understood Vahiguru's will have the Shabad of his word abiding deep within. They are the true soul brides who embrace love for their husband God, their beloved. जिन्ना पाने का रस आया, तिन विचों परम चुकाया, नानक सतगुर ऐसा जानिए, जो सब सैले मिलाए जियो. The accepted ones who have been enabled to understand Vahiguru's will, they have been able to eradicate all the doubts from within. O Nanak, know him as the true Guru who unites us all with Vahiguru. Satguru मिलिए फल पाया, जिन विचों ऐ करण चुकाया, दुर्मत का दुख कटिया, पाग बैठा मस्तक आए जियो. Meeting with the true Guru, one receives the fruits of their destiny, and all the egoism is driven out from within. The pain of evil-mindedness is eradicated, and fortune shines forth with Guru's guidance, thus merging with Vahiguru. अमृत तेरी बाणिया, तेरिया भगता हृदय समाणिया, सुख सेवा अंदर रखिए, अपनी नदर करहे निस्तार जियो. O Vahiguru, your true word in the form of Guru's word is full of ambrosial nectar of life. It is embedded in hearts of your holy saints who enjoy the bliss of life through service and finally merge in you. Serving you, peace is obtained, and granting your mercy you bestow salvation. सतगुर मिलिया जानिए, जित मिलिए नाम वखानिए, सतगुर बाज न पायो, सब थकी कर्म कमाए जियो. By meeting with the true Guru, one comes to realize. By this meeting, one comes to chant the name. Without the true Guru, God cannot be found. The whole world has tried in vain to realize the God through various rituals and actions. हऊँ सतगुर विठहु कुमाया, जिन प्रम फूला मार्ग पाया। नदर करे जे आपनी आपे लैर लाई जियो। I offer myself as a sacrifice to the true Guru. I was wandering around in doubt, and he has set me on the true path. If Vaheguru casts his glance of grace, he unites us with himself. तू सबना माही समाया, तिन करते आप लुकाया। नानक गुरमुख प्रगट होया, जाको जोत तरी करतार जियो। You are omnipresent and pervading everywhere, and yet we cannot see you. The Creator keeps himself concealed. O Nanak, the Guru-minded people who have been bestowed with true knowledge of Vaheguru and enlightened by his presence perceive the God everywhere. आपे खसम निवाजिया, जियो पिंड दे साजिया। अपने सेवक की पैज रखिया, दुए कर मस्तक तार जियो। The God himself grants the honor. He creates and bestows this body and soul, and he himself preserves the honor of his servants by placing both his hands on their foreheads. सब संजम रहे सियाणपा, मेरा प्रभ सब किछ जानदा। प्रगट प्रताप वर्तायो, सब लोक करे जयकार जियो। Our cleverness or strict rituals are of no avail, as Vaheguru is omnipresent and he knows everything. He has made his glory manifest and all people celebrate him. मेरे गुण अवगुण न विचारिया, प्रभ अपना बिरद समारिया। कंठ लाई कै रखे ओन लगे, ना तत्ती वाव जियो। He has not considered my merits or demerits. This is his own nature, hugging me close to his embrace. He has protected me, and now the hot wind of worries or afflictions does not touch me anymore. मैं मन तन प्रभु त्याया, जी इच्छड़िया फल पाया। साह पातशाह सिर खसम तू, जप नानक जीवे नाउ जियो। Within my mind and body I remember and meditate on Vaheguru, and I have obtained the fruits of my soul's desire. You are the greatest King of kings and our protector. O Nanak, I live by meditating continuously on his true name only. तुद आपे आप पाया, दूजा खेल कर दिखलाया। सब सचो सच वर्तदा, जिस पावे तिसै बुझाई जियो। You yourself has created this universe, and you also created the play of duality and staged it. The truest of the true is pervading everywhere, and he is instructing those with whom he is pleased. गुर प्रसादी पाया, तिथै माया मोह चुकाया। कृपा करके अपनी आपे लय समाए जियो। It is through the Guru's guidance alone that one may realize the true name, provided the worldly veil of falsehood is lifted from one's mind with Vaheguru's grace, thus merging him with Vaheguru, enjoying eternal bliss. गोपी नहीं गोवा लिया, तुद आपे गोए उठा लिया, हुक्मी पांडे साजिया, तू आपे पन सवार जियो. You are the gopis, the milkmaids of Krishna. You are the sacred river of Yamuna. You are Krishna, the herdsman. You yourself support this world. By your command, human beings are fashioned in their body. You yourself has created these worldly forms as per your will, and you bless or destroy your creation as it pleases you. जिन सतगुरु स्यों चित लाया, तिन्नी दूजा पाओ चुकाया, निर्मल ज्योत तिन प्राणिया, ओए चले जन्म सवार जियो. Those who have focused their consciousness on true Guru, they have eradicated all the love of duality. The light of such mortal beings is immaculate, and they merge with God as a success to their earthly life, thus attaining self-realization. तेरियां सदा सदा चंगियाइयां, मैं रात दी है वडियाइयां, अणमंगिया दान देवना, कहो नानक सच समाल जियो. O Vaheguru, you have bestowed on us all your blessings at all times, and I praise you day and night. You bestow your gifts even if we do not ask for them. Contemplate on the true one and only God.